Hey guys, Terry here, so long time no see. I'm sorry if I'm lacking of content from like pretty much 2 weeks, but I'm moving from New York, I'm moving to Boston, also I have to find a car. So many stuff are going on, still working, so there's not really enough time to make videos. Like, unfortunately, like YouTube is not my job, and we're pretty far from it. With your help, maybe we're gonna get there, but for now, we have to do what we gotta do. But here we are back, and a thing that I was able to do during this period was actually to attend a pop-up event from Epson here in New York City. I was very interested because they actually invited me to check out some AR smart glasses, and well, here we are talking about the BT30c, a new model of smart glasses that is gonna arrive in the near future from Epson. So let's discover it together and let's talk about it, and let's see if it's something that we actually be interested in or not. I really want to hear also your comments. So let's get into it. Okay, so first of all, in the invite, we're talking about AR glasses, but actually these are not really AR glasses. These are more like smart glasses, like Google Glasses 2.0 in a way. So what we have over here is actually a screen projected in front of you that is gonna be pretty much an 80 inches display at the distance of 5 meters. So that's what you see is a little square in your vision, and well, you're gonna be able to enjoy content, movies and stuff like that, still being aware of the situation around you. Now, why this is not really AR? Well, because there's no tracking in there, so the screen is gonna be always in the middle of your view, and it's not gonna move, it's not gonna augment really your reality. You're just gonna have like a portable TV with you over there. Talking about specs anyway, these use OLED display, 720p in resolution. That doesn't sound really high, but I have to tell you that for my experience trying it, it was very crisp, and I was expecting a full HD resolution. Instead, it was actually lower, and the color were very crisp, of course, thanks to the OLED technology that we already know with our VR headsets. And because these use prism to actually redirect the light from the screen to the middle of the vision of your eyes, there's no screen door effect or things like that, but everything is crystal clear in the middle of your vision. Now, there are two options. One, to dim the vision, so you're going to be able to have a translucent hologram, let's call it hologram, so you're going to be able to be even more aware of what's around you, or the one where you just crop it up the brightness, and really there's no translucency in that anymore, and this is such a nice thing. The only thing though is that FOV is 23 degrees actually diagonal, so it's really like just that screen in front of you, and that's it. And there's also available a very interesting accessory that's going to be able to blind up your vision, so you're going to be able to have just this screen in front of you every time to enjoy your movies in the dark, in case if you are like on a plane or stuff like that, and you don't want to see what's around you. But now, most important thing is to understand how this thing works. Well, it's very easy. It has a USB Type-C connector that goes from the glasses to actually your phone or your laptop. It supports Android, so if you have a phone that actually support mirror view, you're gonna be able to use it without any problem. Imagine like the new Note or the new Samsung Galaxy, they also have the option to use DeX. Well, you're gonna be able to have probably DeX in-depth vision. So inside the glasses, there's nothing such a processor, stuff like that. Everything is from your phone or from your laptop, and what you see is like an external screen that you can use as an 80 inches monitor in front of you. That's it. Very easy. So everything you see on the phone is gonna be also on the glasses. Now, the only thing about that I asked, and I didn't have a positive response, is the fact that if you turn off the screen on the phone, actually you turn off the screen also on your glasses. So your phone has to run anyway, and it's gonna use some batteries there as well. And it's something that probably and hopefully they're gonna fix in the future update actually on Android, because that's the real issue there, is Android and not really glasses, that they don't use any particular software but just just work out of the gate. It's also available in SDK to use for different devs if they want to use it. And one interesting application they were talking me about is the fact to have like captions when you are like in a movie theater. So you don't have to have all the translation in different languages, and many people are bothered, but you're gonna be able to have your caption just in front of you, read them, and then meanwhile being able to watch your movie without any problem. They weren't ready to disclose anything about where you're gonna be able to use it or try that experience yet, but it's something that is gonna arrive in the future. Now, the price of these glasses is $4.99, and they're gonna be available pretty soon. They're actually pretty light, around 150 grams, and they actually fit like a pair of glasses. But yeah, the look is like a little bulky. I don't know if I would like to go around with them in the same way I will not maybe go around with an Oculus Quest or the Oculus Go. At that point, like, it's really like, you know, which one to choose between the two. Do you want these AR glasses experience where you actually can connect it to the phone and do everything, or an Oculus Go that is $199 and gives you the full experience? At the end with these, you have something that is really easy to use and easy to interact, and if you know how to use your phone, well, you know how to use these glasses. So then make it very, very easy for the consumer market, and is actually the only option that you have right now for this kind of smart glasses. If you want actually something with the tracking and something that is real VR, they have the BT300 and the BT350. They actually have a camera to have a full 6 degrees of freedom, and you can actually start to use everything in AR and use your SDK and stuff like that and develop on them. But there's still a problem that also those at the same screen, and field of view is just those 23 degrees. That is actually very minor when you want to put like an hologram in front of you. And we saw also with the HoloLens 2 that field of view is getting bigger. Instead here we have just that little square in front of you that can be good to watch a movie, but to feel immersed with holograms around. Anyway, the visual was very good, so I was very impressed, but I don't know, would you guys buy it to actually just watch movies on the train, on a plane, and just to be aware of the ticket guy that arrives? Probably we're gonna see that more for like business application, like the caption thing and stuff like that, but you never know. Let me know if you are interested. Let me know what you think about it in the comment below. Do you like the direction that this is taking? Do you think it's a good investment for Epson and for us? Anyway, would you rather get an Oculus Go to have the experience and to look weird? At least you have a full experience in VR. I don't know. Let me know in the comment below. I will probably go for the Oculus Go, to be honest, or the Oculus Quest that is still cheaper and has also the pass-through too. So, but yeah, thanks for Epson to bring me there, and there were also good sandwiches, so it was appreciated. And yeah, I checked out also projectors and some printer and scanners. So I know that now I have to buy a projector and I have to buy a scanner for my picture, because like they were actually pretty good stuff over there. And yeah, I feel I said it all. So anyway, guys, let me know what you think about it in the comment below. We're gonna get back in track very, very soon, and then there's the move and so many stuff going on. But yeah, we're here to stay. So I see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you liked the video, like. If you didn't like the video, dislike. Subscribe to the channel for more about VR tech, and I see you guys in the next video. I said it again, but whatever. Ciao!